Hello everybody, out at the range. I'm working with the Swedish rolling block in 8x58 rimmed, as you guys have seen in my previous videos, trying to find a load for this rifle. I've had some people get back to me on some suggested loads that I'm going to try later. I'm trying ALOX coated bullet this time. As you know, I do not have a reloading die set for this rifle. What I have is a neck sizing die that I made myself. And so we're going to use an ALOX coated bullet with a cotton ball filler. Now, one of these guys that I've been in contact with said that the cotton ball filler was unnecessary and that it would cause a ring in the chamber. After I try this particular load, I'm going to go with some of the loads he suggested, but I want to see if this one works. I'm a little concerned about pressure, so I'm going to shoot one, and if I've got any concerns at all, I'm not going to continue to use this load. I'll just pull them all and start over. But right now I'm using an H4198 at 26 grains. I have an overall length of 85,000. Now, the last time out I had, 27 and a half grains, not 26.
1 minute, ceasefire. 1 minute.
The last time out I had 26 grains and I was shooting, fastest was 1,570 feet per second. I wanted to bring in velocity. I'm a little concerned I may have overshot this. One shot like I said, see what happened. It's 27 and a half grains of H4198, and we'll start there and see what happens. All right, I've got the chronograph set up down here. I don't know if there's too much light now or what, but it's a brand new chronograph. First shot. I want to get my pencil out because I want to write the speed down. Okay. All right. 1,660 per second. That doesn't feel too bad. Cartridge looks good. I don't think I want to push any more of this powder through it though. I think I'm going to say that's probably a max load, and we're going to leave it there.
Probably not.
1727. Cases look good, primer looks good, getting good strikes on the firing pin. I don't really like ALOX because it's messy, but it is a effective coating for bullets. I do powder coat, but I'm not really good at it. I need more practice with powder coating. My main concern, there are two sides of the argument on powder coating. My concern is it abrasive? I've heard a lot of people say it isn't. I've shot quite a bit of powder coat. I haven't had any issues. At these speeds, is leading without the powder coat. The bore looks good. There's actually some burned powder in the bore. And one of the reasons I used the cotton ball was to get a more and see if it would So, for doing it, let's get going. 24. Recoil's relatively mild. Yeah, I think I'm right where I probably should stay as far as the load goes with the H4198. Now there is IMO 4198, and on the chart, not a lot difference. 1725. Deviation's not bad over the last three.
It's just like yours, but mine's silence. So it's extra.
1709. All right, I'm just going to keep shooting. I'm aiming in the same place. Basically, I'm going for groups, as you guys know if you watch any of my videos, and I am at 50 yards. So.
Safety on the left, on the right. Down.
Also, you probably noticed I have a headset on. There's my buddy Don. I didn't think he was coming out today. Anyway, this is a Walker headset with a Bluetooth connection, and I am, as my camera, I have a remote for on and off. The thing is, each time I hit the remote, that's the end of the video, so I'll have to edit so all the videos are connected, but I can live with that. So, let's see how it does. Probably eat up the battery of the phone, but the phone's way better video than my video camera. 1647. 1692. My new chronograph is working really well.
So loud now, under.
I went and talked to him about this. He says he has a trap on the left.
16.
You want to practice, he's like, pick the low number 7 on the scale, which is like 1 through 8. He's like, pick 7.
Those 10 rounds.
The one closest to you. And it's going to go straight out.
You guys probably know that I'm using the design for the amateur, the M94, and the bullet on that gun, the diameter is 330 pounds. This is the bullet, and it's dropping at 216 grams. It's 120 out of the mold, and then sized it to the groove diameter of this one. I could go plus intelligence on it. I've heard other guys say they've shot it as it drops out of the mold. I'm using wheel weight lead, and the last time I shot, I didn't have any ready. And I was shooting roughly 50 feet per second less on the end. Time out. So let's go down range, see what. Okay. All right. Sorry about the delay, my microphone was off. My point of aim was right here. That's a good solid group right there. I'm really pleased that this is the load I want to use. I'm not changing powder. I'm not doing anything different. That is awesome load. I'm going to raise the elevation up on the rear sight. My windage is off just a little. I don't care. And there you go. If you're following my YouTube videos on this rifle, I think that's a successful load for this rifle. I'm not seeing any pressure signs. I'm just leaving it alone. That's where we're at. Navy vet out at the range. On to the next thing.